Middle daughter is graduating from high school in a couple of months, so getting ready. Her school colors are blue and white. Really pleased with the quality of this. It is a polyester. It's pretty thick and durable. It does come with these copper grommets. See if I can get it to focus. There they are, where you can tie it on, as well as this ribbon. I have tons of extra ribbon left. So I just tied it at the 4 corners for the grommets, and it's holding fine. It's a fairly windy day here, and liking how it's just really making that impact. It is 45 by 78, and it's fine for indoors or outdoors, but I think it would really make a great welcoming statement if you have a party and you're trying to direct people where to go. Be a great photo backdrop if you wanted to add, you know, zhuzh and balloons and things like that around. But anyway, just such an easy and reasonably priced way to make a really big impact for a grad. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.